This video is how to use fast motion and slow motion in Final Cut Pro X. All right, first of all, let's find a clip, and this has got a clip where I'm falling backwards off of this paddleboard. And you've got to find your entry point. Now, if you want, you can expand the clip by pressing down on the Command key and hitting the plus button on your keyboard, which I'm going to do. Then if you want to move it one frame at a time, you can use the arrows in the bottom right-hand corner of your keyboard. The one on the right moves it forward. The one on the left, horizontal that is, moves it backwards. So let's pick this spot right here. Once we determined our entry point or our end point, we're going to hit I for in on our keyboard. That's going to create this yellow box that goes all the way to the end of the clip. But what we need to do is find our exit point. So we're going to slide our cursor pretty close to where our exit point is. And I'm going to say right about there. Now we go onto our keyboard and we're going to press the O for out. And it's going to move that yellow box right to that spot. Bam. Now we slide over here. We've got the yellow box. It's got tabs on either side. And you could actually move the tabs by clicking on it, holding your mouse down, and pulling it. And it gives you the exact time. See, 3:03, 3:02. Let's go to 3. Then you go to this one. You can do the same thing here. Let's go to 3. There we go. All right, so this is going to be the section of the clip that we're going to slow down. Now, the way we can do that is we got to go up to the little clock right here, click the down arrow, choose Clip Retiming Options, or you could go Command R and it would open it up. And that opens it up, and we want to do it slow. So we're going to go over here, we're going to hit 50%. And you're going to notice the whole clip is going to get a topping, and that's going to change. It's going to tell you what's what inside the clip, and it's also going to expand the middle part. Here we go. Bam. Now, if you look, we've got 3 sections to this clip. We got the beginning section here. We've got the part of the clip that we want to slow down, and then we have the end of the clip. Now, we can manipulate the speed, which is now 50% slower, by moving this little tab here. What we have to do is push down on our mouse, and if we move it to the left, you're going to see those numbers start to increase. As we keep going, it's going to increase more and more. And what's happening is we're actually speeding the clip up. Once we get into the blue, we are actually fast motion. So let's come back. Let's go to 50. Bam, there we are. Now you can also do this with the front of the clip. If I wanted to speed the front of the clip up, I could do that, or I could slow it down. But I want to go right back to normal. Normal's green. Same thing on this side. If I want to change this clip, I'm going to go to this tab here. I'm going to pull it this way to make it faster, which is to the left. And I'm going to pull it back to the right to make it slower. And as soon as it gets to orange, that means you're slow motion. Let's go to green. Now that's normal. Whoops. Green is normal. Bam. Now we're back to exactly what we want. Let's go ahead and run it through and see what happens. All right, and that's how you do it. Now there's a couple other things that you can do. If you want to change the speed on this, I could come to the inside of this field right here, click on this, it'll give me, I can change it to 50, 25, or 10. I can go 2 times, 4 times, 8 times, 20 times, or I could just go back to normal, or we could click here and do a custom field. Right now we've got it at 50%. What you do is change the number inside of here. Let's say we want to go to 30%. Then what I would do is I would come out of here. I would take and click the return key on my keyboard. Now we're at 30%. If I want to go back, I can just click right here. And we're back to 100%. and then I can go to 50 and hit the return, and the whole thing goes to 50. So that's how you use that. And if I want to escape that, I go Command Z, and we're right back to where we were before. And if we want to keep this, I just got to click outside that field, and that box goes away. All right, so that's how you use the fast motion, slow motion option inside of a clip. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use Final Cut Pro X or 10. Peace out.